ఇక రాజ్యసభలో ఈబీసీ బిల్లుపై చర్చ జరుగుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Slam demonetization. I want to place on record today, if you really look at the history of the last 100 years, this may be the largest man-made disaster ever. And it's a man-made disaster, sir. Sir, come to Cheat India 4. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana promised housing for all by 2022. These are government figures, sir. 1 out of 5 houses have been done. 2022. Where we will be in 2022, we don't know. So let's come to Cheat India. What's the number? 5. Skill India mission. The government themselves did a survey. In that survey, 72% of India, now Jawan, who again you're trying to fool with this bill, but they won't get fooled, 72% had not even heard of Skill India. Sir, next, Cheat India. Jobs, 6. India lost 110 crore jobs. We all know now the great promise of 2 crore jobs and 15 lakhs. In fact, if you had put the 15 lakhs in, then you needn't have brought this bill also. Sir, but for all the complaining we in the opposition are doing about the pathetic job situation, there is also some good news, sir. If you go on, there are some organizations, I have the printouts here, they are hiring people. IITs, IIMs, lots of young people to run Nation with Nemo. They are being hired, so that's very good. If you don't get a job, at least you will become a foot soldier of the government, of the party, or you will become a troll, you will get some money. So they are hiring. Sir, my next one is number 7, Cheat India 7. After I make my point for Cheat India 7, I want to sit for 30 seconds because I want to yield. I hope somebody from the BJP interrupts me and says, done, and I'll sit down. But then I'll go to the other point. Sir, the point is, the Congress made this point about women's reservation. That is Cheat India. Because they called it Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, but the actual phrase which they forgot, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Beti Ko Roko. 2 examples with numbers. My party, Trinamool Congress, gave 35% of 2014 Lok Sabha seats, 35% to women candidates. The BJP gave 10%. Doesn't matter about how many you give, how many actually come to them. We don't need the reservation bill, Trinamool, because we've already implemented it. 35% of the 34 Trinamool MPs already in that house, Lok Sabha, are women MPs. 50% of local bodies, too. Local bodies in Bengal, 50% are already ladies. So now the elections are coming. The bill, someone said bring, yes, bring the bill. No response. So, okay. So,
continue, they will answer. Continue.
Sir, if you go to India, no, we do not give BJP, we do not give this government credit. But one thing they have done really well is marketing. Listen to this kind of marketing. Listen to this. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is for 29 states. Total budget is somewhere between 600-700 crores from the time it started. 700 crores, you divide it by the number of years, it will come to about 3-4 crores per state. Per state. Total 700 crores. My question would be, how many girls' lives have you touched with 700 crores, 4 crores per state? That's the cheating. Look at Kanyashree from Bengal, one state, sir. Our budget is not 100 crore, not 500 crore. Last 5 years, 5,500 crores. That is not cheat Bengal. That is the number 5,500 crores. 60 lakh girl child have been touched with that. Their lives have changed, and that's why the United Nations have given it the program of the year. Sir, these are the kind of realities, because otherwise the more you listen to on this bill, and once whenever it does come out, you know, I had a mama, uncle, he used to play a game with me as a child when I was about 6 or 7. He'd buy me one chocolate, put the chocolate in my pocket and take it out. After 2 minutes, give it back to me. And I thought every time he was giving me a new chocolate. But it's the same chocolate he was